Hey everyone, Eli here with the Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing you a look at the Snailax chair massager heating pad. This has a remote control included, so there's different types of massage modes. You've got pulsate, tapping, rolling, auto, and kneading. Auto basically scrolls through all of them and lets you experience them all. You can control the intensity. There's 3 different levels. You can also control the heat. There's a high and a low, or just turn it off if you like. You can also just use the heating mode by itself, and you can also control which regions you want this thing to massage. It's got upper back, lower back, hips, and thighs. There are timer modes, 15, 30, 60 minutes. No matter what, a timer mode goes on. So if you want to do it for a while, you can do 60 minutes, and then once it goes off, you can turn it back on. Overall, it feels super comfy. I really like the heating. That's probably my favorite part because it does get hot pretty quickly, and it feels super nice. And as you can see, this really does extend any chair. So if you have any chairs, like I haven't used this massage chair in a long time, that you don't use, then you can go ahead and put this on it, and it makes the chair a lot more friendly, and it makes it a lot more nice to sit in. So overall, I highly recommend this massage pad from Snailax. Thanks for watching.